In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create Canada Gmail account. To begin, open your web browser and go to the Gmail sign-up page. Look for the option that says Create Account. When you select it, you will see a few choices for what the account is for. Choose For My Personal Use. This makes sure you are creating a standard Gmail account for everyday email rather than one intended for work or business management. Next, you will move on to your basic information. Enter your first name and last name exactly the way you want them to appear on your Google profile and in outgoing emails. After that, fill in your birthday and choose your gender. It is important to enter your birthday accurately because Google may use it for age verification and account recovery options later. Take your time here and double-check for typing mistakes before continuing. Once your personal details are in, it is time to choose your username. This username becomes your Gmail address, so pick something that you can remember and that you feel comfortable sharing. If the username you want is already taken, Gmail will typically suggest a few available alternatives. You can also adjust your idea by adding a period, a word, or a few numbers until you find one that is available. Try to keep it simple and professional, especially if you plan to use this email for school, job applications, or important accounts. After you have selected your username, you will create a password. Set a strong password that is difficult to guess. A good approach is to use a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using common words or personal details that someone could easily find, like your name or birthday. Also, make sure you can store it safely, so you do not lose access to your account later. When you are finished entering your password, review everything one more time for accuracy, then proceed to complete the sign-up process on the screen. That covers everything you need to know.